The RCC1UP-AK is an upgrade to the standard RCC7-AK UV system, equipped with a pre-installed booster pump to bring your water pressure up to the ideal level for the reverse osmosis process. The booster pump allows the system to function at the ideal level from production speed to drain ratio. Replacement filters are standard sized. The system comes with a 1-year limited warranty and lifetime technical support from iSpring in Atlanta, Georgia. Incoming water pressure, 30 psi to 70 psi. Operating water temperature range, 40 to 100 Fahrenheit. Maximum TDS, 750 ppm. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Quality 007 stage filtration. This reverse osmosis, RO, water filtration system removes up to 99% of over 1,000 harmful contaminants like chlorine, fluoride, lead, removes up to 98%, arsenic, asbestos, calcium, sodium, and more. Number 2. Booster pump. Reverse osmosis produces filtered drinking water by pressurizing water molecules through the RO membrane and leaving impurities out. Equipped with an electric booster pump enables standard RO performance regardless of pressure variations, delivering higher throughput with less wastewater in comparison to pumpless models. Number 3. UV filter stage. The UV stage comes with a smart flow sensor switch that turns the UV unit on and off with 3 minutes delay automatically with water flow, saving power and lengthening the life of the UV lamp. Number 4. Features. Come with a European-style brushed nickel kitchen faucet with a rust-free finish. The first stage has see-through housing that enables convenient visual inspection of filter conditions. Our water filter features 3 pre-filters, to remove large contaminants and protect RO filter from chemicals, RO filter, to remove contaminants down to 0.0001 microns, and AK filter to finally restore just the right proportion of healthy minerals and a natural balance. Number 5. Do-it-yourself installation. Typically, in a couple of hours with industry-leading help just a phone call away. Fits under a standard kitchen sink, with all parts included and instructions and videos. For leak-free installation, simply push the tubing into quick-fitting connectors and lock, no threading pipes needed. iSpring water softener is equipped with quality components to ensure reliability and low maintenance for many years to come. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is there a version of this system with a larger tank? Answer. We have 4 gallons, 5.5 gallons, 11 gallons, 20 gallons, and 40-gallon tanks available. Question number 2. Does this filter Vox? Answer. Yes, the carbon filters on this system are effective at reducing or removing Vox. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.